Hello everyone, you are watching Tech with YOLO. Today's topic of discussion is JioFiber. JioFiber is a wired fibernet or broadband service that was launched last year by Reliance Jio. After the beta testing phase was over, the broadband went live for common people and already is now equipped in over 1 million houses. On 31st August 2020, Jio has released new pricing and has officially released the JioTv+. This new pricing starts from Rs 399 per month. High-speed broadband for Rs 399 per month. And here's the best part. Unlimited high-speed broadband starting from Rs 399 per month. No data caps, no speed reductions. Let's have a look at all the plans JioFiber has to offer and their benefits. Starting with the 399 plan, for Rs 399 at bronze tier, you get unlimited internet with 30 Mbps speeds and unlimited voice. Final monthly price including GST is Rs 471 per month. Next is the silver tier for Rs 699. You get unlimited internet with 100 Mbps speeds and unlimited voice. Final monthly price including GST is 825 rupees. In the gold tier for Rs 999, you get unlimited internet with 150 Mbps speeds, unlimited voice and OTT app subscription for 11 apps. Final monthly price including GST is 1179 rupees per month. This OTT app subscription service is very interesting and is bundled with packs from the 999 rupees gold tier. I'll speak more about the OTT app subscription as we proceed through the video. In the diamond tier, for Rs 1499, you get unlimited internet with 500 Mbps speeds with a data FEP cap of 4000 GB, unlimited voice and OTT app subscription for 12 apps. Final monthly price including GST is 1769 rupees per month. In the platinum, you get unlimited internet with 1 Gbps speeds with a data FEP cap of 7500 GB, unlimited voice and OTT app subscription for 12 apps. In the titanium tier for Rs 8499, you get unlimited internet with 1 Gbps speeds with the data FEP cap of 15000 GB, unlimited voice and OTT app subscription for 12 apps. Final monthly price including GST is 10,029 rupees per month. That's the super impressive new pricing scheme of JioFiber. You get FiberNet at the cost of mobile recharge combined with OTT services such as Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sunnext and 9 other apps. This OTT service package is unique and interesting. Here's the JioTv Plus announcement video.
JioTv Plus, where we have aggregated all the content from over 12 leading global OTT players. Let us show you JioTv Plus. This is the home screen of JioTv Plus with all the content from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, Voot, Sony Live, ZEE5, JioCinema, JioSaavn, YouTube, and many others under one roof. We had to make discovery a very easy feature. So in addition to traditional search, we integrated voice search that works on genres, favorite actors, directors, producers, and mood. Let us go through an example. I am going to voice search Ranbir Kapoor. As you see, the search results display RK movies, videos, songs, music videos, and trailers from every app integrated into one screen. Now coming to the second learning, we realized that all of these 12 apps require different login IDs, making the process cumbersome. To make it seamless and simple, we introduced a single click to play any content for our users without needing a separate login. I am back on the home screen of JioTv Plus and going to play Mission Mangal with Disney Plus Hotstar. We believe you can now enjoy the best large screen content experience through JioTv Plus. Moving on, for large screen, TV channels have always played an important role. We have the majority of TV channels integrated within JioTv Plus.
That's amazing, isn't it? Now this JioTv Plus is complimentary from the gold tier 999 rupees plans. And for 999 rupees, this is a brainstorming value. 11 OTT apps excluding Netflix is complimentary for the 999 plan and 12 OTT apps including Netflix is complimentary for 1499 and above plans. Now let's look at the installation procedure and charges. For the first 1 month, you get a free trial period with 150 Mbps speeds, unlimited internet and subscription to 10 OTT services. The Jio set-top box will be given for free during the trial period. After the trial period, there are 2 installation options available. One for FiberNet alone and one for FiberNet with the JioTv Plus powered by the Jio 4K set-top box. If you select the FiberNet only plan, then the Jio set-top box will be taken back after the 1 month trial period. After the trial period, 1500 has to be paid as refundable deposit for the FiberNet plan and 2500 has to be paid as refundable deposit for FiberNet with OTT subscription plan. No separate installation charges will be levied apart from this amount. Whether the router will be taken back if you opt out of JioFiber connection is not clear yet. Amazon Prime is included in the OTT services list, but we don't know if Prime delivery benefits and Prime Day sales are applicable for consumers who use Prime from JioTv+. Also, if you like my content, consider subscribing. It means a lot. OTT services normally support multiple devices for one account with one subscription. We don't know whether this will apply for JioTv+ subscriber. I'll let you guys know when we get answers for these questions in my social media, so make sure to follow me there. That's been all for this video. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.